Gears don't just spin, they trade. Watch the contact point. As the wheels turn, force passes from the driving gear to the driven gear, exactly one tooth at a time. If a 12-tooth gear drives a 24-tooth gear, the larger wheel takes twice as long to complete a revolution, cutting the output speed exactly in half. This relationship is defined by a simple ratio. But here is the trade. Because mechanical power must be conserved, assuming ideal conditions with no friction, cutting the speed in half means you exactly double the output torque. Engineers use this to shape mechanical energy. Gearing down gives you slow, massive strength, perfect for lifting cranes or climbing on an e-bike. Gearing up trades that torque away for pure speed, driving wind turbines and fast drivetrains. Because in mechanical design, power is the deal, speed and torque are simply the price.